Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. We're live on Binance NFT. So guys, this is wrapped CryptoPunks. All you need to do if you love this NFT collection, all you need to do is just click on it and click on the buy button, and automatically your funds will be debited. You could also see more information about this particular collection, guys, or this particular NFT. Now, if you do not have funds in your wallet, your funding wallet, you need to transfer funds from your funding from your fiat wallet to your funding wallet so that it can be debited. Now, you can see the price is going to going for 100 ETH, which is quite a lot, guys. Wow. But you can check out the description about this NFT. It said this punk was created or was wrapped using wrap punks. You can see information. You can also check about other packs, guys, and you can see it's going to be available for about 27 days. Now, the cool thing about the Binance NFT is that you can list your NFT for free on the platform, and even if your NFT does not get sold, you get delisted, and you can also release it. So these are some of the perks Binance gives its traders or its users. Now, on the Binance NFT, it has a simple interface now as compared to other NFT platforms. Now, Binance NFT is one you should consider using. Now, one cool thing why I like the Binance NFT is because of the fact that Binance is currently the leading crypto exchange in the world. Now, with this comes with lots of attraction and lots of exposure. So, if you're an NFT collector, or you flip NFTs, or you're an NFT creator, you want to consider putting out your collections here, because it will be showcased to a wide variety of audience. Now, there's an article here that talks about how to create your own NFT collection. Now, you can read about it. So Binance encourages this a lot, and you could be surprised at how easy it is to do this whole stuff. Now, something you can also benefit here is the fact that there's a zero trading fees and a gas fee rebate, which is only unique to the Binance platform. Binance encourages these zero fee transactions a lot and uses it as promotions. Now, this is going to be ending in March 20th. So you want to use these as soon as possible, while also you also want to put into mind that there are also lots of other promotions that will be ongoing. Now, one of them now currently is also for ape NFT holders. Now, you can participate in the staking program and earn daily rewards. So just by having this NFT, whether you're in the bull market or in the bear market, you can be earning rewards as an NFT holder. So I believe if you flip NFT, or you just want to hold an NFT, you should look for the ones with good utility and good community. So this will help you maximize or benefit more from the crypto, from these NFT. Now, if you're looking for how to sell, it's very straightforward. You just need to select your NFT. So it says here we have the fixed price and the auction price, and there's also the accept an offer. Now, I've sold an NFT here before, so the one I did was it was a fixed price, where you just put the value of this NFT. So like the one that we talked about initially for this wrapped CryptoPunk, you just click on it. But there are others where you would need to auction for it. So the highest bidder usually gets it. And there's also an opportunity where you can accept an offer. Now, even if you are auctioning for it, or you have a fixed price for this NFT, or even if you're auctioning for it, most especially, an individual could decide to just, okay, they don't want to wait for the end of the auction. They might just decide to give you 100 ETH, or there's a 1 ETH for it, and you could check the offer. If it's reasonable, you just close the deal, and you made the sale easily. Now, there's also, if it's same way for you to also buy an NFT, usually it's very easy on this platform. Now, these are some perks you get, and Binance also offers support. There's also the statistics and ratings available, launchpad, there's explore mystery boxes, which we participated in. Now, on your icon is where you get access to offers listed. You could check your wallet, you could connect your MetaMask, you could connect your ETH wallet directly here, and NFTs there. You could transfer them directly and list them here on Binance NFT Marketplace. Because of the exposure you'll be getting for free, and you only get charged when you finally close the deal, which is very cool. Now, if I should go over to my mail, you can see we've had lots of transactions from Binance NFT, and one of the most lovely ones, the fact that we made a sale. Say we sold a mic. I believe most of you know Mike Tyson. So we did sell one of this collection. You can see we got congratulatory message, and we sold this successfully. Now if you want to know how we did this, you could check out this video here. This is a video that talked about Mike Tyson NFT flipped in minutes. So all you need to do, you can watch the video and see there are lots of videos we've done on Binance NFT and flipping these as well as airdrops which you can get from them. So let's say you want to check out this video, just click on the video and there's a link beneath this video as a new user where you can easily register on Binance if you do not have an account. So you click on the link, it's going to take you directly to the Binance NFT Marketplace. Either of these link, you just click on it, it's going to take you to Binance NFT Marketplace. Then you make sure you click on the register button. That you want to click on the register button to or register on the Binance platform. Now you can see if you have any questions or feedback, you can also drop them for us in the comment section. Now make sure you sign up using you can see the collection. This was about some time back. You just look for the register button, you register on Binance, and you go get access to, you can use your email and password. Take note of our referral code, it's going to be here. It gives you 5% kickback commission, low fees, as well as free NFT as a first time user on the Binance platform. Now these are some of the perks you'll be getting. So back still, I'm just going to show you guys some more reasons why we currently use these NFT marketplace. Now some of the reasons or more reasons you want to consider using it is because of the low fees you get to the. Now the fees are usually very minimal and there are no fees when you're pushing out your stuff. There are no fees when you're pushing out your collections. Now the sellers only need to pay a 1 to 10% royalty fee to the creator. Now this could be set by the creator itself, and which is very cool and very reasonable. Now the Binance NFT charges a flat 1% platform fee for all NFT collections being sold here. So that is very cool, guys, very cool. Now Binance is the industry liquidity and volume, so you get access to lots of volume and lots of access. There's also easy deposits and BNB chain networks where you can connect your wallet, and also quick fiat cash. You can, there are lots of benefits. There's also ranking vision, simple token conversions, which is very easy for users who want to swap between ETH, or you want to use your BUSD or BNB to buy any of these crypto assets. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe. You could also read more if you want to know more about how does crypto work in general. There's the Binance Academy courses here where Binance is currently also giving out giveaways to individuals. Now all you need to do to be eligible for this, just take this course, you get a free NFT, and you could also, this free NFT will give you eligibility pass, because Binance is currently adding up utilities for their NFTs. So you want to use this benefit from this as soon as possible. I'll try as much as possible to drop the link there. You also get access to a 10 USDT bonus. So this is the announcement. You receive 10 USDT token voucher if you have to finish the course immediately before the end of the month, March 31st. Make sure you complete your KYC and fulfill all necessary conditions. So terms and conditions are currently there. So peace out, guys. It's your boy Akahilz. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep winning, guys. Keep using the Binance NFT marketplace. If I have any questions, let me know. You could also get access to fan token NFTs and more, mystery boxes and more, guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Akahilz. Thanks for watching. So these are the NFTs that you could also get access to, very cheap ones and more. This is where we got the Mike Tyson NFT. You can see we've got about 3 of them and more. So guys, that's it, guys.